Welcome to Jobs Online, Northumbria University's vacancy platform. Visit Jobs Online to access thousands of vacancies including placements, internships, part-time and graduate jobs. Avoid the competition on mainstream graduate websites and tap into unique opportunities. Opportunities that are provided by a range of relevant businesses looking for students and graduates with the skills gained from university level study. On the left of the page, you can click the search bar to search vacancies, organisations, different schemes, or placements and internships. You can even customise your search by typing in specific keywords such as graduate, or even a specific sector or job title. You can then scroll through the vacancies, and when you see a suitable vacancy, click it to get more information. Here you'll get an overview, the academic requirements, and more about the company. There is also an apply or register your interest button on the right hand side of the page. If you see an opportunity you like, you can save it for later via the Actions button. It will then appear in your vacancy inbox on the front page of Jobs Online. It's easy to add and remove these at any time. If you want to double your search success, check out Careers Online. Here you'll find additional vacancies from across the web. Just visit northumbria.ac.uk/careers online. Good luck with your searches, and if you require additional support, you can also book appointments at northumbria.ac.uk/graduate futures.